Hi guys, my name is Yuvan and today I'm going to teach you how to make the paper rubber band rocket. The things which are required for the rubber band rocket are scissors, two rubber bands, one pencil and a white sheet. Begin. First, you fold the paper in half. Line it up as neat as possible. So now unfold the paper and fold this corner onto the new line which you just created on the paper. Line it up. You do the same thing with the other side. Make sure to make sharp creases for all the folds which you make because it will make it a lot easier. And then you take this corner and fold it onto this full line. So just take it and fold it. And now we need to do the same thing with the other side. Corner onto this whole line. And then do the same thing with the other side. It's gonna get a little thick, so just hold here make sure it lines up. Okay. Now once you have all folded, we must have a paper which looks like this. Then what we just do is fold it a half. Don't flip it over and fold it a half. So now all we need to do is take the scissors and cut. Cross on this edge. Once you have cut, you must have a paper which has two cuts on these two sides. Then open the paper, you will see you have these two marks. Fold it onto that, which just creates a fold which is very thick. Now then, you do the same thing with the other side. And fold it. Then, after you have done all those folds, you must be having a piece of paper which looks just like this. Then, you fold it a half without flipping it over. Take two rubber bands and place them both to create a hole at the middle. Then take one of your finger and just bring it up and pop out in the yellow one. Then you just need to pull it. I must have a rubber band piece which looks like this. Then you take a pencil which is any size and which is not sharp. Just take one side of the rubber band and just put it on the pencil and twist the rubber band and put it again. So do this process until it gets too tight for you to tie it again. Just twist and do it. This part might get a bit tricky, but with practice you can do it. So then you must have a pencil piece which looks like this. The other rubber band sticking out and the green one wrapped fully. Then what to do, take the rocket which looks like this and then just put it onto this back rubber band of the pencil. Just put it on both of them and then just pull it and leave it. That's how the rocket flies. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and bye bye.